Good afternoon. We will see the example now. Again, this question is asked in previous question paper of SPQ. The resultant of two forces P and Q is 1400. Vertical. Give. Remember this vertical. Determine the force Q and the corresponding angle theta. It's theta. For the system of the force shown in the figure. The sketch is given here. So we have to find out the resultant. Okay. So, very first step, I'm going to redraw the sketch to understand the concept behind this. What date? This is 800 Newton force given. This is Q, which is unknown, and this is theta. Okay, this extrudic angle is given. What asked to us? They asked to us determine the Q and theta. What is required? Q and the respective angle theta. Again they asked to find out what? Q and theta, and given is what? Given is the resultant is. What is given? The resultant is what? Resultant is vertical. What it means, the vertical resultant? So we are going to use them. We'll see what it means vertical. Before that, we must resolve this one. As the slanting is there, resolve this. 800 angle with respect to x is 60. So 800 cos 60. This is 800 sin 60. Resolve this also. This is what? Q cos theta, Q sin theta. Resolution means the angle with whom? With horizontal. So horizontal component is cos. Now, after resolution, you know that you are going to use the summation fx and summation fy. Here, they said that, as you know, the summation fx equals to rx. But in this question, they said that resultant is acting vertical. Means rx component of resultant is 0. And resultant is acting vertical. That means summation fy equals to ry equals to 1400 Newton. Now, I'm going to use this condition first, and then after that test. So summation fx means what? Sum of all horizontal component. Sign convention, please remember the sign convention. Again I am putting the sign convention here. If arrow is towards positive x, the component is positive. If arrow is towards negative x, the component is negative. If arrow is towards upward, plus. If arrow is towards downward, minus. So now, according to that, I am just adding or subtracting. Summation fx, what are the component of horizontal? This one and this one. So this is going towards positive, so plus 800 cos 60. This is going towards negative, q cos theta. Now there is no other force equals to 0. I can write this equation like this. Q cos theta equals to 800 cos 60. This minus gets cancelled. This is my equation 1. Now, write equation 2. Summation fy equals to 0. Not 0, sorry, it's not 0. It's 1400 vertical. Okay. So, do the summation of all vertical forces according to the sketch. Again, the two vertical forces components are there. Q sin theta upward plus 800 sin 60 equals to 1400. Okay, equals to 1400. So now Q sin theta, keep as it is. 1400 minus 800, the minus. If we change this place to RHS, move this, then it will change its sign also. Instead of plus, it becomes minus. So now Q sin theta equals to, check the answer, 1400 minus 800 sin 60. It comes 707.1796. So this is the question, equation second. Now it's very, you can get it that if you divide the equation 2 by 1, you will get the tan theta. So I'm writing here, divide equation. So q sin theta as it is divided by q cos theta. Q sin theta value is 707.1796 divided by 800 cos 60. So do this calculation. This calculation becomes 1.000. So now q get cancelled, to tan theta equals to it's not 1 point, it's 1796 divided by 800 cos 60, it comes 1.76. okay, then take inverse of this 1.767, take inverse of this, shift in calculator, shift tan inverse, answer the answer is theta equals to 60.506. If I want to find out the theta, I need to take what? Tan inverse. In calculator, shift tan inverse. Okay, I got this value of theta in degree. Once I got the value, I can easily find out the q. Now put this value of theta in equation 1. Q cos 60.50 equals to 800 cos 60. So 800 cos 60 divided by cos 60.50. It comes around Q equals to 812.3088. And it is in Newton. So this is your expected answer. So dear, if the resultant is acting vertical, so remember summation fx equals to 0. If they say resultant is acting horizontal, then summation fy equals to 0. Okay, resultant is horizontal, then fy equals to 0. Resultant is horizontal, fy equals to 0, and resultant is vertical, fx equals to 0. So these two conditions are very important when fx, rx, fy, ry. Remember this. When resultant is acting horizontal, ry is 0. When resultant is acting vertical, rx is 0. So this is the basic concept that we need to use. Thank you.